Hello, good morning. Today is June 12. Happy Independence Day. Exactly 7 days or 1 week after my TABSO surgery. TABSO means total abdominal hysterectomy and bilateral salpingo orophorectomy, meaning total removal of the uterus and the two ovaries. The procedure is very painful, and then every day there is a little progress, and then after 7 days I have gained another progress. Nawala yung masakit na masyadong sharp, excruciating pain on my back and in my tummy. Every time I move my body, every time mag-poop ako, every time mag-urinate, every time may intake ako, ang sakit-sakit. May lumabas kagabi na mga liquid, a foul smelling liquid. Siguro yung sa inflammation siguro, lumabas po siya. Kaya ngayon, I start my day with, of course, with prayers and praises to our God for giving me another day to survive and for giving me another chance to live. And so I am drinking my milk now, and it start giving me perspiration already. Oh, and after this, I will be doing some light exercises so that my wand inside and out will be stretched a little bit, and then it will, magkaroon siya ng what is this, stamina kakaunti para kapag tumayo ako, kapag naglalakad ako, hindi na siya masyadong kumikit. Maraming salamat sa mga prayers at sa mga nag-alala sa akin. Happy Independence Day. Kaya wala na yung problema natin. Independent na po tayo mula sa ating mayuma na cancerous. Kasi inalis na sa atin lahat ng posibleng kakapitan niya. And praise be to God. All glory to you, O Lord. I praise you and I thank you for every bit of my life. Amen.